And that's the wildest part because, you know, I kind of opened with, I've never met a human being that was laying in a deathbed. You know, I think of Ben Stiller in Zoolander. I got the black lung, Pop. I've never heard of that. But that's why this exists. I can tell you countless stories working with local fire departments and first responders, ambulance company. We had a huge contract with an ambulance company and sitting there with the EMTs at the front counter of the diesel shop, you know, dude's barely hanging on because he watched somebody die in the ambulance last night because the DPF was so impacted with soot that the ambulance wouldn't go over 15 miles an hour, and the dude died in the back of the ambulance. I can tell you those stories, lots of them. You know, we worked on 4 to 7 vehicles a month for that ambulance company. A huge contract for us. I talked to the firefighters that showed up late to the fire, and the family inside burned to death with their dogs because they didn't make it in time because the DPF was stuck in regen and the truck couldn't go the speed limit or over to get to the fire. I've had those conversations, terrible conversations. I've seen the hurt in their eyes. Like, I've never heard of somebody dying from standing next to a dynamometer like we've all done. Watching 30 trucks dyno in a day, the freaking black soot's falling from the ceiling, and we're all smiling.
If PM or NOx was legitimately killing people, I don't think
we'd all be dead.
The majority of us would be talking today.